For this project, you will need a canvas wall banner and a bath towel to help with pressing the vinyl. From the library, you can purchase black heat transfer vinyl at a low cost. The library provides a weeder tool and scissors to use for free. First, plug in the vinyl cutter. Plug the USB cord into the laptop provided. Press the power button on the vinyl cutter. Place the heat transfer vinyl on the back of the vinyl cutter and feed it into the machine, making sure it is shiny side down. Move the pinch rollers to the edge of the vinyl. Then press the lever forward to hold the vinyl in place. On the screen, check to make sure it says Roll under Select Sheet. Then press Enter. The screen will now read the width of the vinyl. Plug the Make of the Month USB drive into the computer. The USB drive automatically opens. Double-click on the Cut Studio software. Set the vinyl size. Click File, then Cutting Settings. Make sure the Roland GS24 is the chosen printer. Under Media Size, click Change. In the new window, click Get from Machine, then click OK. Click OK again. Now to get the design. Click Open. Find the Make of the Month USB drive on the left-hand side of the window, then click on the Make Your Ideas Real file. Click Open. Near the top, click Cutting, then click OK. The vinyl cutter will cut the design. When finished, press Menu twice until Unsetup appears, then press Enter. Release the pinch rollers. Move the design forward, then cut the design off the roll. Now to weed. First, remove any excess vinyl around the design. Remove the large background to see the design and determine what else needs to be removed. Using the weeder tool, remove the rest of the excess vinyl. You are done with the vinyl cutter and are ready for the heat press. Let the reference staff know you are switching machines. Turn on the heat press. Use the stylus to press one of the settings to check and make sure they are set for this project. The temperature should be 305 degrees Fahrenheit, the pressure set at 7, and the duration should be 15 seconds. When set, press the check mark. As the press heats, check the pressure. Pull out the heat platen and place a towel and the wall banner on the platen and push it back. Then press and see what the heat press says. If the pressure is too low, unpress and twist the knob on the top to the right. If too high, twist it to the left until the pressure is set to 7. Remove the towel and wall banner as the heat press gets to temperature. Once hot, set up the towel and wall banner. Repress the material for 3 seconds. Unpress the material and pull out the platen to add the design. Push the heat platen back and press for the full 15 seconds. Unpress the machine and pull out the platen. Carefully remove the heat transfer mask as it will be hot. If the vinyl is not sticking to the wall banner, consider pressing it again. When finished, press the power button on the heat press screen and put the press into standby mode. It will now cool down. Congratulations, your wall banner is complete.